Tired of that one Asana project cluttering your workspace like a forgotten pile of papers? Let's get that project permanently deleted and your Asana workspace sparkling clean. First, navigate to the Asana project you want to delete. Make sure you're in the project itself. You'll see the project name prominently displayed at the top center of your screen. Next, locate the three dots, also known as the Project Actions menu, usually found next to the project name at the top right corner. Click on this menu to reveal a drop-down of options. In the drop-down menu, find the option labeled Archive. Click on Archive. Archiving a project removes it from your active workspace, kind of like putting it in storage before permanently deleting it. A confirmation message will pop up asking if you're sure you want to archive the project. Review the message, and if you're ready, click the Confirm button. Now, to permanently delete the project, go to the left sidebar in Asana, scroll down, and click on the More option. This will expand to reveal Archive, then Other options. Click on the Archived Projects option. This takes you to a list of all your archived projects. Locate the project you just archived in this list. Hover over the project name, and you'll see another set of three dots appear next to it. Click on these three dots. This final drop-down menu contains the Delete option. Click on Delete. A final confirmation message will appear, warning you that deleting the project is permanent and cannot be undone. Read the warning carefully if you are absolutely sure you want to proceed. Click the Delete button to permanently remove the project and all of its associated tasks from Asana. Congratulations on a cleaner, more organized workspace.